Good afternoon, this is Kyle and Wade with Western Material Handling. Today we're here test driving stock number D20889. It's a nice 1992 TCM FCG25N6, 5,000 pound capacity. It's a cushion tire. Wade's going to give us a little demonstration. Excuse the lack of forks, my painter still has them. I went and snagged this out of the paint booth. Recent repairs, fresh tune-up, fresh paint, ready to go to work. Has a triple stage mast. This is approximately 187 inch lift height, as side shift as well. Has shredded cushion drive tires and smooth steer tires. It's running the Nissan H20 4-cylinder engine, LP gas engine. Smooth, bulletproof engine. We love them. Again, this is Kyle and Wade with Western Material Handling. You can check out this forklift or any other forklift here at either store in Denver or Fort Collins, or online at betterforklift.com. We appreciate the time. Thank you much.